Being a vegan, people ask me the craziest questions like,
is it safe to be vegan? Are your kids vegan? What do I eat when I'm at a party or when I'm eating out?
It's exhausting. But there is one question that I get the most, and that is, where do you get your protein from? Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of protein in our daily diet and the difference between protein that was sourced from animals versus protein that was sourced from plants. So here we go. Your body needs protein to repair and build muscle, especially after a good workout.
Yeah!
And your body needs protein for energy.
I'm feeling good, strong.
But before your body can use the protein that you ate, it has to break it down into smaller pieces called amino acids. There are two ways of getting protein. Number one, you can get your protein from tortured, brutally murdered animals. Or you can get your protein from plants, which is the healthy and peaceful way. Either way, your body will have to break that protein down into amino acids in order to be able to use it. Breaking down animal protein is such hard work for your body, and it makes your body tired, and it makes you look old fast, and it causes all kinds of diseases like cancer, tumors, arthritis, diabetes, heart disease. The list goes on and on and on, and I can already hear you.
But plants don't have enough protein, and I will get protein deficient, and I will get sick and weak.
Calm down. I assure you, you can get all the protein you need from plants. On average, women need about 46 grams of protein per day, and men need about 56 grams of protein daily to prevent protein deficiency. And I promise you can get enough protein on a plant-based vegan diet because all plants have protein. And if you need guidance on your vegan journey, I am here for you and I would love to help you. Just contact me through my website for a free consultation, and I will leave the link to my website in the description below. Just contact me and I can't wait to hear from you. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye!